Everyone, it's Nate. I'm here with Outside Cleaners on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, and I could make one of these videos pretty much every day of my work season. Here's what I'm doing right now. This homeowner is very dissatisfied with their gutter protection system. All it does is need cleaning and clog the flow of waters into the gutters. Now here's the problem they weren't aware of. Look what I find when I've taken this off. Yeah, so I've got like, I've probably got 3/4 of an inch of moss underneath this. What a piece of crap. What a scam. Save your money.